Birds rising above limitations. Good morning, my dear friend. Today, let us look to the birds, small yet free, fragile yet fearless. They remind us that life is not about being bound to the ground, but about rising above what tries to hold us down. Watch a bird take flight, its wings beat steadily, and suddenly it leaves the earth beneath, soaring into the sky. Birds are not the strongest of creatures, yet they master the art of rising higher. They navigate storms, travel vast distances, and return home guided by instinct and persistence. The bird's gift is not in avoiding the wind, but in using it, riding the very currents that could have held it back. In our lives, challenges, doubts, and fears often try to hold us back. We feel the weight of circumstances pressing us to stay grounded, to play small, never to rise. But like the bird, we are meant to spread our wings. Your wings are your gifts, your courage, your persistence. You may feel the wind against you, but remember, it is that same resistance that gives you lift. Without struggle, there is no flight. The lesson of the bird is this: don't let limitations define your altitude. You are capable of heights far beyond what you imagine. So today, rise like a bird, spread your wings of courage, lean into the wind, and soar above your limitations. Carry on, my friend. I am your biggest fan.